Okay, we're going to take a look at the catalog settings. Now, there are many different fields, or what we call advanced settings, on the catalog page, as you can see. Now, when you first get your store, you'll see some of the fields are filled in. We would consider those the default settings. Most of the settings on this page you'll never need to worry about, but like all of the tabs or all of the advanced settings, you can always roll over the question mark link and it'll tell you what data is intended to go in the field. Now, some of these settings are usable only on specific catalog installations. So you might be using, for example, the World Pack or the IMC or the WHI catalogs, and it's not necessary really to be concerned with many of these settings. Now, the most important setting on this page is what you see right here, the primary catalog supplier. So if I click this drop-down list and I choose WHI Aftermarket, and then I hit the Save button, the entire site will be configured to use the WHI catalog. Now that will have major ramifications to the use of your store, so you should only change the primary catalog if you know what you're doing, and more importantly, if you're licensed to use that particular catalog. If you do change it and you hit save and you're still in the demo mode of your store, you'll see that your site will continue to function. However, it may not have prices, it may not have availability, and it's not going to be obvious to you why specific brands and part numbers are showing up. That's because we install all of our new stores with a set of demo or demonstration credentials with the various catalog suppliers. So if you're in your trial and you're playing with with the store settings, we recommend leaving the primary catalog supplier to whatever you see on the page there. Now, as far as the rest of the settings you see here, again, you can scroll down and the labels usually make sense. So for example, test SKU. Well, let's say you wanted to use a test SKU in the testing of your site. You could just type in the test SKU there. You can see here it says use manufacturer code for stock check. So if we roll over this question mark, it'll tell us to enter in the value true, and we're actually asking you to type in true, T-R-U-E, in capital letters. And whenever you make a change to this page, make sure you hit save.